Long, long ago, before scissors, before knives, before anything sharp was made by humans, how did early people cut meat or plants? That's the big mystery scientists have been trying to solve. Did humans first learn to make tools, or did they use what they found? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because the answer comes from nature itself. A new study by scientists Dr. Emma Feinstone, Dr. Michelle Beber, and Dr. Metin Aaron shows that early humans likely didn't start by making tools. Instead, they used sharp rocks they found in nature, called naturaliths. Yes, you heard that right. Nature made the first tools. These naturaliths were created when stones broke in rivers or when big animals like elephants stepped on them, and they were sharp enough to cut meat, plants, even skin. Dr. Beber went to Oman. She found places full of sharp rocks just lying there. Dr. Feinstone studied Kenya, where early humans often cut food near these sharp stone areas. This means one thing: before making tools, humans used what nature gave them. And here's where it gets even cooler. Once they realized how useful these natural tools were, humans started thinking, why not make our own? So they did. They started knapping, hitting stones together to create sharper, better tools. Tools they could shape, carry, and improve over time. This small shift in thinking was a giant leap for mankind. As Dr. Aaron says, this may be the best explanation for how humans began making tools. So what does this tell us? That nature was our first teacher. We learned by observing, using, and then creating. And maybe that's the secret behind all human inventions. If you found this story amazing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Student Edge for more awesome science and history content. Now it's time for some questions. Let's see what you remember.